In the infinite, uncharted darkness of the universe, something extraordinary has just been revealed. Imagine looking into the night sky and realizing that the stars you see, and those you can't even imagine, might be far more mysterious and massive than anything we've ever thought possible. What if I told you that scientists have just discovered something so monumental, so colossal, that it challenges the very way we understand the cosmos? Thanks to the piercing gaze of the James Webb Space Telescope, this groundbreaking discovery is now at our fingertips. So, hold on to your seats because what we're about to explore could fundamentally rewrite the history of the universe as we know it. Welcome to Space Theory. I am Bob. It's time to explore the unknown. Let's rewind the cosmic clock for a moment. According to the standard model of cosmology, after the Big Bang, the colossal explosion that marked the birth of our universe, it took anywhere from 500 million to 1 billion years for the first stars to form. These stars were the universe's building blocks, gradually clustering together to create galaxies. You might be familiar with our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which contains around 100 billion stars, each taking billions of years to form and evolve. But this is where the new revelation comes in, throwing everything we thought we knew into chaos. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of modern technology. It's the most powerful space telescope ever built, capable of seeing farther and clearer into the depths of the universe than anything before it. And with its keen infrared eyes, it has just uncovered something utterly astonishing. 6 massive galaxies that existed just 500 million years after the Big Bang. Now, to put this into perspective, imagine if you were walking through a desert where you expect to find only small plants and suddenly stumbled upon towering trees. These galaxies are 10 times larger than the Milky Way. This discovery doesn't just challenge our understanding. It flips the whole concept of galaxy formation on its head. Scientists are now scratching their heads, asking, how could such enormous galaxies exist in such a young universe? But here's the kicker. It's not just individual stars that we're spotting. It's entire clusters of stars, packed tightly together like glittering jewels in a cosmic necklace. These clusters, found in the early universe, shouldn't be there. The James Webb Telescope has revealed star clusters that have thrown the scientific community into a frenzy, leading us to an even deeper cosmic mystery. These mysterious star clusters are known as globular clusters. Think of them as ancient cities in the universe, dating back to nearly the beginning of time itself, around 13.4 billion years ago. They are some of the oldest and most massive groups of stars, but they come with an unexpected twist. Here's where things get weird. Stars within these globular clusters seem like they should have been born from the same cosmic nursery, meaning they should share the same chemical composition. Yet, when scientists study them, they find that these stars have striking differences in the abundance of elements like oxygen, nitrogen, sodium, and aluminum. It's as if you were to visit a vineyard expecting all the grapes to be of the same variety, only to find that some are completely different in taste and color despite growing side by side. This baffling phenomenon is known as abundance anomalies, and it has left astronomers scratching their heads for years. How could stars born from the same cloud of gas and dust end up with such varying compositions? Something about this just doesn't add up with our current understanding of star formation. Now, some scientists believe they may have an answer, but it's not what you'd expect. What if these so-called baby galaxies weren't galaxies at all? What if they were actually monstrous black holes? Imagine discovering a city-sized sinkhole where you thought a mountain should be. That's the scale of surprise we're dealing with here. The theory goes that these gigantic black holes might have formed shortly after the universe's birth, completely overturning our current theories about galaxy formation. If true, it means we're looking at cosmic objects so massive that they could potentially be bending the known laws of physics. It's a bit like discovering a hidden level in a video game that was thought to be impossible to access. This could also hint at entirely new phenomena that could one day lead to groundbreaking advancements in our understanding of the universe. Now, solving this puzzle might just earn someone a Nobel Prize. If you've got a knack for cosmic mysteries, this is your moment. To get to the bottom of this, scientists turned the James Webb Space Telescope's gaze toward one of the most ancient and distant galaxies known to us, GN-Z11. This galaxy is an astonishing 13.3 billion light-years away, which means we are looking at it as it was just tens of millions of years after the Big Bang. Imagine peeking into a photograph of our own planet when life had just begun to crawl out of the oceans. That's how ancient GN-Z11 is. Here's how they do it. The telescope captures light from GN-Z11 and breaks it down into its elemental components, much like how a prism splits light into a rainbow of colors. This light analysis acts as a fingerprint for each chemical element. By meticulously studying these fingerprints, astronomers identified something incredible. GN-Z11 is overflowing with nitrogen and has a massive number of stars. To put it into an analogy, it's like finding a city not just filled with buildings, but also bustling with people who, surprisingly, all have wildly different characteristics. This suggests that within GN-Z11, multiple globular clusters are forming and possibly hosting supermassive stars. Armed with the James Webb Telescope, astronomers are now extending their gaze to even more distant galaxies, seeking to uncover more globular clusters and piece together the puzzle of these abundance anomalies. Every revelation from this telescope beckons us to look deeper, to question more, and to confront the enigma that is our universe. The cosmos is like a vast, ancient book, and with each new page turned by the James Webb Telescope, we find that the story is far more intricate than we ever imagined. The quest for knowledge, the drive to explore celestial worlds, and the unending pursuit of understanding fuel our curiosity as we stand on the brink of an uncertain yet awe-inspiring future. The universe is full of surprises, and every discovery challenges what we think we know. This latest revelation of supermassive stars and ancient galaxies by the James Webb Space Telescope is no exception. These cosmic giants and the mysteries surrounding them force us to reconsider our understanding of how galaxies and stars form. Are we witnessing the aftermath of monstrous black holes that defy current scientific theories? Or are we on the brink of uncovering entirely new laws of physics? As we continue to explore the cosmos, one thing becomes clear. The universe is far more complex and awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. With the James Webb Telescope as our guide, we're only beginning to scratch the surface of these celestial secrets. What new wonders will we find next? The journey to unravel the universe's mysteries is just beginning, and it's a story that keeps getting more thrilling with each chapter. As we push forward, armed with curiosity and technology, we're reminded of how small we are in the grand scheme of things, and yet how much there is still left to discover. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of discovering new laws of physics? Could these findings hold the key to unraveling the secrets of the universe's formation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to Space Theory. Let's embark on this cosmic journey together, pushing the boundaries of what we know. If you enjoy our content, consider becoming a member. Your support will help us continue bringing you more incredible insights into the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for being part of this adventure, and until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.